Now that phenomenal driving experience is thanks to this 2.3 liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder that quite honestly had a very poor reputation as soon as it came out, and we're going to dive deep into what exactly happened during the manufacturing process to cause such a massive head gasket failure, which made these very scary to own outside of warranty on the used car market. A lot of people were very nervous about these cars, and let's just talk about what exactly happened here. So a lot of people think on the used car market that this 2.3 liter is the same 2.3 liter that is shared in the EcoBoost Ford Mustang. However, they would be wrong, as it only shares a few parts. Those parts being the crank, the pistons, and the rods, all were shared with the EcoBoost Mustang. However, the block and heads were entirely different. But there was a massive mistake during manufacturing.
Whoops.
This guy better have gotten fired. The block and the head for the Focus had different places where coolant ran around the pistons that ultimately helped keep the engine cool that the Mustang did not have. So the internals of basically where the coolant was running was entirely different. So when they accidentally put all of the Mustang 2.3's head gaskets on the 2.3 that was for the Focus RS, which had different spots where the coolant was being sent, it was kind of a massive issue. Water was being sent in places that it was not supposed to be being sent, causing the head gasket to ultimately explode once it started to boil in these areas that there wasn't supposed to be coolant, causing it to explode, causing heads to warp, causing the heads to explode, causing the engine to hydrolock. Ultimately, this gave the 2.3 from the Focus a massive unreliability reputation right off the jump because of this major manufacturing defect that ultimately led to a huge recall, making all 2016 and 17 head gaskets to be replaced, as well as heads on a lot of models. You need to check the VIN numbers when you're shopping the used car market on this, because this is kind of a massive ordeal, and if this recall somehow didn't get replaced, you just could be in for a bit of a headache.